Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the air gap between your lawnmower's flywheel and the ignition coil. I'll rotate the flywheel so the magnets are in line with the coil. Now I can set the gap. The gap will be specified in the engine's repair manual. Usually it's going to be somewhere around 14 thousandths of an inch. I'll use a flywheel gapping tool to do this. If you don't have one of these tools, which you probably don't, you can just use a thick business card. I place the card between the coil and the flywheel. Again, I'll make sure the magnets are in line with the coil. Now I'll push the coil firmly against the flywheel and tighten up the bolts. The card will set the proper gap. And now I can remove the card.